Hey, welcome to VIP Frames and Trusses Auckland. I'm Eddie, and today we're going to take a walk through our frame, truss and fabrication plant. This particular job is going to Wellington. There's 33 pods in total, making up 17 units, both 2 and 3 story. Our prefab for this project is made up of multiple parts. Our pre-nail frame and truss, cassette floors, our truss cassette, and all put together to make a pod delivered to site. They will be moved from our manufacturing plant in Pukekohe on a convoy of trucks to our customer in Wellington.
Hi, I'm Blair Chappell, Managing Director of Williams Corporation, and I just want to take the time in this video to talk about what a great relationship Williams Corporation's had with VIP Frame Truss. We've been using them for well over 5 years exclusively, and we've delivered over that time on average a house every single day. A project that went really well for us recently is 45 Porutu St in Lower Hutt up in Wellington. That was 17 townhouses, with majority being 3 stories high, and in 2 days they had that job from ground floor frame stood ready for roof. It does take a whole team effort and a whole supply chain to come together, whether it be the traffic permits or whether it be logistics of organising the people and having the right materials and the right things on site to get those installs working. It just is a real testament that I couldn't speak more highly of them, and if people are out there wanting to know who they should partner with, I've got nothing but good things to say.
Our customers like using this solution as it takes time out of the build process, and being in a factory environment means things like waste, weather and time frames are controlled, and then delivery to site can be the day requested. This significantly speeds up the construction time, meaning our customers get a product to market sooner. So if you're looking to optimise your build project, come and get in touch with us today.